And we have an invitation here from our friends at Yokozuna Music Bar. Ayan, they will be having the Boss M birthday celebration. Birthday for a cause ito. Hindi lang basta birthday celebration kaya namin pinopromote. Kasi it's birthday for a cause. Sabi nga niya, sharing is caring. Okay? May mga prize giveaways pa, may paraffle pa. Tapos, yung birthday niya, it's gonna be a fundraiser. Yan, okay? Fundraiser, mga kailangan ng pondo, kaya pag pumunta kayo ron, be sure to donate, ha? Magdo-donate kayo. Huwag kayong basta kumain lang. Baka pumunta kayo, kumain lang kayo, ha? It's gonna be a fundraiser. Yung birthday celebration ni Boss M, ha? Okay? It's gonna be this coming Saturday na, July 12, 2025, 8 p.m. The venue is at Yokozuna Beachfront Restaurant, Resto Bar, number 133 National Highway, Barangay Barreto, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. And the attire must be gold or red. Yan, 8 p.m. po yung start, ha? Okay? Entrance, VIP entrance is only 1,000 pesos. Oh, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi natin na mapupunta sa kanyang birthday for a cause. Okay? May mga magiging beneficiary siya na mostly children, the less fortunate children. So reserve your tickets now, limited seats only to. Tapos meron kayong entertainment, may chibug, may pagkain, may entertainment, and the proceeds will go sa beneficiaries na children that are children. Okay? Birthday for a cause, Boss M, sharing is caring. It's gonna be again this coming Saturday. Kung naghahanap kayo ng gimmick ng pupuntahan this coming Saturday, eto na. 'Di ba? Nag-gimmick ka na, natuwa ka pa, nalibang ka na, may natulungan ka pa yung kanilang mga beneficiaries, of course, okay? All right, and do you guys know second week of July is declared as Cultural Communities Week. All right? Under Proclamation number 250 series of 1988, the second week of July declared as Cultural Communities Week. And ang theme, kalinangan, kinabukasan, kaunlaran. Ayan, KKK. Uy, KKK din. Mabuhay ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga katutubong Pilipino. Okay, KKK. All right, it's the national from the National Commission of Indigenous Peoples, CAR. Okay. And then here's an invitation coming from our friends at DTI Zambales. You're invited. Join us at the National MSME Week Trade Fair 2025 happening July 9 to 13. Ayan, ongoing na ha. 2025 at the promenade area Ayala Mall Harbor Point. Okay, kaya pala nandoon ako kanina, may mga stalls, no? And yeah, okay. At the Subic Bay Freeport Zone with the theme Asenso Negosyo. Angat Kabuhayan, Bagong Pilipinas. Okay? Celebrate the spirit of Filipino entrepreneurship as we showcase exciting local products, connect with fellow MSMEs and business enthusiasts, and highlight MSME excellence from across the province of Zambales and Olongapo City. Okay? So don't miss out on product exhibits, free seminars, networking opportunities, local flavors, and craftsmanships. Okay, so mark your calendars and support our homegrown entrepreneurs. So once again, this invite is coming from our friends at DTI Zambales. Ang pupuntahan nyo na venue is the promenade area of Ayala Mall Harbor Point, July 9 to 13. Okay.